Great Lakes St. Lawrence. Great Lakes St. Lawrence are lowlands in southern Ontario. When two plates shift, an earthquake happens. Altitude is the height of an object relative to sea level or ground level. Glaciation is when the ground gets covered by ice. Precipitation is anything that comes from the clouds. Canadian Shield is made up of metamorphic and igneous rock. It covers half of Canada. Latitude. As it increases, the average temperature decreases. Relief. Relief is when air pressure goes over a mountain. Elevation. As it increases, annual temperature decreases. High and low air pressures create prevailing winds. Winds and air pressures. Ocean currents. A warm current equals a warm climate. A cold current equals a cold climate. Western Cordillera is the mountains in Western Canada. Metamorphic rock is the rocks that are formed under heat and pressure. Sedimentary rock are the little pieces of rock broken down. Igneous rock are molten rocks that cool and harden. The 6 factors that affect climate are latitude, ocean currents, wind and air pressure, relief, near water, and elevation. The continental drift theory. The continental drift theory states that the continents were all once together in one big supercontinent known as Pangaea, or Pangea. What is an ecozone? An ecozone is an area that has common characteristics, environment, plants, and humans. Why is it important for people to study ecozones? It is important for us to study ecozones because they tell us human and natural trends. The 3 reasons why Canada has a diverse climate are: it's large, it has coastal regions as well as inland regions, and it has different elevation. How does latitude affect a region's climate? Latitude will affect a region's climate through the amount of solar energy a place receives. Convergent plate boundaries are when 2 plates collide. Transform plate boundaries when one plate slides past another. Divergent plate boundaries are when 2 plates are moving away from each other and a new crust forms. The rock cycle diagram. At the top, magma cools, then it becomes igneous. The igneous rock weathers. That weathered rock becomes sedimentary rock. That sedimentary rock heats, and that heated rock becomes metamorphic, and that metamorphic rock heats and becomes magma. The style goes in a clockwise direction. Magma at the top, igneous at the right, sedimentary at the bottom, and metamorphic at the left. Three pieces of evidence to prove the theory are the fit of the continents, such as South America and Africa, the distribution of ancient fossils, and the locations of ancient climatic zones. The geological eras. Number 1, Precambrian. Number 2, Mesozoic. Number 3, Paleozoic. And number 4, Cenozoic.